Today I am going to use a Spring Boot with Cursor AI with the latest models, including the Cloud Sonnet 4, which is recently released, and in my opinion is a big game changer, hopefully. And we are going to use a Spring Boot and see if we can use Cursor AI for day-to-day Java Spring Boot development. Let's start. I will start with, like always, with a simple CRUD project. Create a simple CRUD project as experience tracker using Spring Boot LTS, long-term support, and the Postgres Docker container. Plus JPA and JWT classic endpoints. Obviously, we need user base endpoints, and also I am going to try test-driven development approach. Every simple part of code has to be first tested and then go to further steps. Never do all upfront. Okay, anything else? JPA, Postgres, JWT. Use Maven. Also, I'm going to use Maven because it's more popular and I like it more. Maybe it's over habit. And let's go and have coffee. Okay. In my experience, some of the AIs has problem for to generate a new project. If you use a Spring initializer, it would be better. But I am going to bring the AI to challenge, and check all the edge cases. Let's see. LTS, Maven, Postgres, Docker, Spring Data, JPA, JWT, user endpoints, TDD approach, write test first, then code. Perfect. Initialize the project and go. Okay, it made the POM XML, which is the core of the every Spring Boot application. Just a minute. Sorry. Okay. What's it doing? It made the main Java experience. Okay. Docker compose up. It's bringing up Docker Postgres. Put the DDL auto on the update. That means that it will be update the latest version of the DB and not replacing it every time. Let's wait until it pulls the Docker container for Postgres. And let's see what we have here. Okay. I tried before once a week ago and I had the same error here. But doesn't matter. Would you like to change the Docker port mapping? Clean all my things in Docker and use same 5432. Because maybe I have from our sessions before or my development before, I had some Docker containers, so many I had, you see, and I told it to just clean up all of them to use a more fresh version. Okay, it's bringing down everything. Okay, now container is starting, everything is fine, perfect. Run the test. The test should be fail, I guess, because it is okay. Wait, the test is accepting. That's because that's the database connection testing. That's okay. Let's write a test. Write a test for saving as a user. Okay. Go. Let's see. Let me check what is the problem in the pom.xml. There is no problem. What's that? Oh, that sometimes comes. Doesn't matter. The test failed, which was expected. There's in the notebook data annotation, the getters and setters. That is one of the things that I don't like about the Lombok. It has sometimes some misconfiguration and mismatching of the versioning, and we don't need when we have AI, because we can write easily any boilerplate that we need. And let me see what will happen. Actually, it is not doing what I told. I told it to go and write test, small test, and do one step and then go to the next one. But it doesn't matter. Let's go forward. Go next step. Actually, it is not bad up to now. Stop. Before going to next step, you have a compiler error in YAML file. I intentionally wrote YAML file. I wanted to see that if it understand, I mean the application YAML file or any other YAML file or something like that. But yes, it found it. Error is not resolved. We have to put it inside the quotation, but I want the AI to do it. Okay. Do it. Still we have a problem because we need brackets. Okay. Do it. Come on. You see, if you compare this with the thing that we did in Golang or JavaScript, TypeScript, it's definitely less capable of giving you a clean and proper code. Okay. Yes. Okay, it wrote down that the code base is not indexed. It still has problem. It is simple, but doesn't matter. Go to next step. Let's see. It's running the tests. Okay, all tests are run. Let me run the app. Make a REST that HTTP REST client that HTTP file for manual testing. Okay, let us running the app until it does its job. Okay, the app is running without a problem, which is nice. And everything is okay, I guess. And we have also these files. Okay, let us try to create a user. Deny. Okay, what I am going to do. Some of them not worked. First, curl all of them, and then confirm it for me. I'm telling it to just curl all of these and confirm it for me, and then I will try it. Okay, it never configured a Spring security, which shows that it's not working very well. Obviously, when you bring the JWT, you have to have a Spring security. And if you see here, we have no config folder. And now, would you like to temporarily disable security for user, add basic authentication, or proceed directly to JWT token? Okay. Let's see. I can say it's about 5, 6 of 10 or less even, because the code quality is not very good, as you see. It's not perfect. It's using AutoWire, which is for a long time deprecated on a Spring Boot. And This is okay. Let me see the user. It could give some more and bring the validation. Is it there? Let's see. It could bring the validation library and use it, but it's not very good. It never made DTOs, and it's pretty not very good code, I guess. Do it. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Okay. Let's see. Come on, Cursor AI, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, it's bringing the JSON Web Token library and the Jackson. Okay, which you see, this is very, very simple. It's not a complicated thing that we ask the AI to make. And in a Spring Boot, I guess the Juni from the IntelliJ works definitely better. We will try that one also together soon. But let's go on with this. Yes, go until all curls work properly. Let me make a repository. I will publish it later. You see, many conflicts, many problems. This is one of the things that you have always keep in mind. In Java, you cannot just write a code very fast and just go on without checking and without ever, you will become in a big problem. You have to be very cautious and do it step by step, which normally is not the AI attitude. AI want to do it very fast. But let's see. Why even it check the dependency tree and developers and blah blah blah. But the build was success. The error comes. Let me make it a little bit bigger for you to see. Compile error. It is in the rabbit hole. You can see. I told proceed until all curls are green and passed. Do not ask before that. Go and do your job. My coffee machine is turning off. If you hear the voice, sorry for that. Let me have a little bit of water. This is not going to work. I can see it. Come on. It's like a child code that is writing. Okay, speed that. Simple, crude API. simple, crude API. Nothing fancy. No JPA relations, no many tables, 50 tables or something like that. Just it's still using the auto-wire. That's really annoying. Come on, you can do better. The reason is that I guess there are a lot of the code bases that the AI read, and there is auto-wired inside. Okay, it's making the security configs now and matchers. But where is the config file? Okay, it's running the app. That's a good sign. Possibly it's coming out from the rabbit hole a little bit, not completely, but it's still struggling with a simple to-do list app. Very nice. Jaxby, blah, blah, everything. You don't need them even. It's simpler than that. Okay, Java developers, I can say, at least it take a couple of years to something can replace the developers. I don't think so, for now at least. Look at this. Easy to-do list application with JWT token, with latest models, with paid AI tool even. It's like that. Perfect. I will let it do and give it the time. Maybe it will work. Let's see. Until all curves are green. I am telling it, I don't care. Just go until all the curves are green. When the curves work, then everything is fine. Maybe the code is not a very good quality code. You see, after how much? 23 minutes. I told it to make a JWT token. It's not, we don't have even a config folder here. We have just resource and the user. Ah, no, I saw the config. Sorry. Maybe it made it now or sooner. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, perfect. This is deprecated. We have to use lambda. These are very bad. And this is also. Let me see, this is filter chain. This is the latest version, it's okay. But these are not good. Let's see. It's running the app. Finger cross. The app is working, it's curling. Do the curves and until all of them pass. Good, it's working. We have the token. That's a good sign. Okay, nice. Deny. Okay, still implementing. Okay, let's see. The build is failing. Just a minute. Okay. Resume the conf. Resume. The app is still running. Yes. Let's see. Yes. Let's see. Okay, application is running. Nice. Good. Okay, delete is working also. I guess everything is working. Make a bash script for me to run the code myself. I want to run the code myself to be sure that everything is working, but seems like it's working at the end. Let me put another user. Okay, let us run the app and see if everything is working or not. Where is the test user endpoints? Here it is. That is the bash script that made for us. Okay. Now let me start the app. Close the test folders everywhere. Run the app. Okay, the app is running. I just bring something here, and okay, it's denying. Okay, run bash script yourself once. Let's see. Yes, fix them, run it, be sure all of them works. It was not very good. More than half an hour for the very simple crude API, which you can copy in 2 minutes from GitHub even. Better one, possibly. Okay, let me close this. It's telling that everything is fine. Let us, again, we become deny. Let me use, instead of the bash script, this one. Bring this down, bring this here. Let's create a user. Okay, perfect. None of the endpoints work. For example, login. Let me see. Even when we said you have to test it before, never done that. That's really bad. Look at this. Look at this mess. It's not good. At the moment, for at least for a while, it would be only a I'm not speaking about the Cursor AI, I mean the AI by itself. It would be something that you can use as a tool besides yourself and ask your questions, and in the question answering it's really, really good. Which enhancement? Make more tests, 100% test coverage, and report, and run it, and give me report. That's it. I will close this, I will close this and this, and let it run the test and go to the rabbit hole again. Go on. Searching the code base. I have a bad allergy. It wrote only 4 tests up to now. 4 test cases. And we told it to, just a minute, sorry. We told you have to do TDD, test-driven development, but it wrote only 4 test cases. That's really funny. Let's see. Let's see. Go on until 100% green test and 100% test coverage. You see, it was not very good. I used Juni before. It was definitely better. I even wrote on a real service for my side project, Emo Finder, which I'm going to present soon. I made it a couple of videos, but I will make in English soon also. Okay, now we have 12 tests and all. Okay, let's see. Let me, what we can do, we will close this and first go, I guess I have some Docker. Yeah, doesn't matter. Open the Rancher and come here. Which containers we have? Postgres. And I'm going to stop this. And I'm going to stop all of these. Okay, I will tell the AI clean all my Docker containers. I want to run app fresh and test it. Let's see. Okay, it's stopping. It's pruning. Okay, nice. Okay. Now if we close it and moment of truth. Let's check. Run. Okay, the application is failing. Maybe because the database is not there. Now what we do, run the app yourself first. Let's see. It's just running the app. Just run the Spring Boot run. No. You had to bring up the Docker container. I forget that. Sorry, AI. You can now proceed to test your endpoints. Okay. What we will do, we'll close this. Come here. check the.htp file, all of them give me deny response. I guess the Spring security is not configured well. Okay, here it is not happening. I don't know why for me here is different. Aha. Okay, this is expected, obviously. Yes. Let's see. It's not even register a user. What the hell is that? Just let me go to here. And run there. What I need. Deny their request. I need make token, etc. on that HTTP file. Okay. Yes, generate, please. After 45 minutes, it's asking that, do you want me to generate that file? Of course I want to generate that file. Simple to-do list. 1 over. Best of the best AI models. Let's see. Okay. At least register is working. What the hell is that? Okay, we have the token at least. Let me check this. Just put them here. Just want to test it. I know I can make a variable, but I prefer this 404. That was really bad. really bad, but yeah. I will try a little bit more complicated. I will make next time myself the initializer of the project, and maybe some configuration I will do it. Maybe I will put the security beside, because the security is too much complicated for AI at the moment, as it's obvious. And let's see, but this was not very promising, I guess, on the Spring Boot, and I will continue to use another ones like Juni, WinCef, and also Copilot Agent. Wish you all a very nice weekend and see you in the next episode, friends. Bye.